How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Ecash coin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about XEC coin. That what's going on in absolutely. We are going to do a shortly price prediction for Ecash coin. That what's the price changes, of course. So let me show you. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe, so make sure to subscribe for more update and news videos. The currently latest price of Ecash coin in the market is about 0.001494 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Ecash coin. And other side, if we talk about the changes update of Ecash coin, so 2.86% positive changes occur in the Ecash coin, guys. It's going unbelievable. And guys, you know what, it is just the beginning of a huge pump, guys. So be alert, guys, if you want to buy a low price coin. So I think Ecash coin, XEC coin is also best coin for investment in a right now situation, guys. Other side, fully diluted market cap and trading volume is unfortunately going negative in the latest situation, guys. But don't worry, very soon these trading volume will become positive and they will give you profit, guys. So just hold for a long time. Other side, you can see here, if you take a look at price chart, so from a price chart it's also clear that now Ecash coin is in the pumping mood, guys. So just hold. Maybe the price are dump for a short time, for 1 day, for 2 days, but after some 3 or 4 days you found Ecash coin is in the profit, guys. That's my personally price prediction. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.